Hi everybody, how these women born a artificial baby, and it's the first artificial baby born in the Germany across the earth, and these artificial baby born by the artificial intelligence. So these women and what the process through this born a baby with artificial intelligence, and how can be possible, and more importantly always learn these holistic things in your mind. Is artificial intelligence is born for me or worse? Then what the factors, because AI is developed so far, and it is care for the humanity, is care for the human beings, and human beings, we are the human beings, and it is care things for this everybody, because AI has been so developed and AI can easily subscribe. And this is my first video. I'm going to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button and see the first video, and you can easily check the all information on